Hi, I'm Hiral Shah, elder daughter, sister, and fiance to an amazing boyfriend, HR professional turned to profit scale up coach, single handedly set up sales and support teams of multiple BFSI companies, trained 200 entrepreneurs in a special Government of India training program. I'm on a mission to help 1 million entrepreneurs under 45 achieve 10x profit by using intuition, and I'm the founding partner of the 10x Profit Hub. So, today we are going to talk a little bit about intuition and how we can develop our intuition. Many of you might be thinking and wondering that I do have an intuition, I do have a gut feeling. Sometimes, when I think about taking a decision, or am I faced with a critical choice, a critical decision to make, there is some hunch or there is some inner voice that I feel. Yes, that is intuition. So, if you're wondering how can you develop your intuition to take better decisions, there are certain pointers that you can do for that. So basically, how would you develop your intuition? First of all, it is very important to recognize your intuition. Recognize those inner hunches, those inner gut feelings that you get when you are faced with a particular decision or a dilemma. You are thinking, and your inner voice tells you something that this is the way to go, or this is the right way, or this is the right choice that you should be opting for. So these are certain inner hunches, certain feelings that you get, certain gut feeling about a particular situation. Learn to pay attention to those signals, to those hunches or gut feelings. Second, very important way is to learning to tune to the nature's frequency. Be surrounded by nature frequently. Go for a walk. Whenever you're faced with a dilemma and you're not able to make a decision, you have a certain situation in front of you, you have a certain data. Say, for example, you're working and you have the data in front of you, and you have to make a critical decision fast. But with the help of the data, you are not able to make that decision. Just go for a walk. Just be around greenery. Just be around nature. You will automatically be prompted by your inner self to get certain answers when you do that. When you're surrounded by nature, you're able to get a better insight into your inner feelings, your inner voice, and you're able to hear the voice. So, probably go for a walk. And when you're surrounded by greenery, by nature, you will automatically get the answer to whatever is bothering you, or get an idea about the problem that you're trying to solve. Also, whenever you get a hunch or a feeling, or whenever you get a particular dream or an image in front of your eyes, write it down. Keep a habit of writing regularly in a journal every day. Whatever image, whatever hunch you get, or any feeling that you get about any particular person, situation, just write it down. It will help you refer to those notes, and it will help you understand what kind of hunches are you getting. Also, you might get some dreams sometimes. You may get a dream which is completely out of the blue, which is unrelated to what you normally face on a day to day basis. And dreams are a way of subconscious manifesting itself. So, whatever is there in your subconscious will be represented in a dream. Do write down the dreams also that you get, or any out of the blue feeling that you get. Keep a habit of regularly writing these down in a journal. So these are some of the ways that you can tune into, or you can try and develop your intuition in a way. Are any of these points touching you? If so, please do comment. And did you get an aha moment or a wow feeling while going through these points? Please do let us know. We will appreciate that a lot. Please do join our private FB group and our private Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the description. And please do like our video. Here's wishing you an amazing intuition and amazing insight. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.